Morning, guys. So I managed to get the ETS exhaust installed late last night. I took a bunch of footage of the install, so I will try to cobble it all together, edit it together, and make a install video of it. But I haven't even cranked the car up, so gotta head out to work. First time cranking up the ETS. Let's go. Oh, coffee. Gotta have it. All right, I don't have to have it. I'm actually not one of those coffee addicts, but it's like a guilty pleasure of mine now. So I gotta have it. Let's go. And into darkness we plunge. And I'm tripping all over. There's stuff in here I was supposed to put away. Let's see here. Lantern that I hang up here. And I forgot my cashews. This is like the worst part of trying to get out of the house in the morning. It's like rush, 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 rush. And you're like forgetting stuff and tripping over crap. All right. Let's see here. Just throw the cashews in. Put the bag in. Be very careful with the coffee. So there's the old Subi cans in the box. ETS installed. Let's crank this bad boy up. First time. I hope this is not crazy loud. Oh my gosh. Welcome. That's a little loud. Holy crap. Yeah, that's loud. Sounds like there's something wrong with my car. Sounds like the engine's about to blow up. Oh, wow. It's got a nice little note to it. It's not bad though. It's not bad now. It's just so I was inside the garage and it was the first, you know, when you first crank your car up, the revs are really high. It's not bad now at all. You hear it? That's not bad. It's not too bad. Especially at idle. I can deal with that. Sounded way louder in the garage. Kind of like when you're going through a tunnel, obviously. That's not bad. But of course, you know, once you get on the gas. Oh man, you hear those pops? That's not bad. Shouldn't annoy the neighbors too much. It's not bad at idle at all. So the neighbors should be okay. Just as long as I don't go ripping through the neighborhood at 3,000 RPM, I should be all right. All right, I gotta go. So this is just first time startup impression. A little loud when you first crank it, especially if you're inside a garage, but once you're outside idling, it sounds just like stock. It's missing a little bit of that mellowed out tone. It's a little more open, but sounds just like stock. It's not any louder than stock at idle, not really. Well, of course, when you get on the gas, that's where it comes on. But more impressions, install video coming once I get it edited together. Have a good day, guys.